Okay, open a new page. And let's start on top. Normal to make a circle. Diameter of this circle is 64. ISO extruded by 46 plus 9, 55. Okay, confirm. Now let's work on front, normal 2, and we should create a rectangle here. This rectangle from here to here is 24. Okay, this one is 46, here is 9, okay. We made a mistake here. I'm gonna to make some changes here, but before doing any change right now, okay, this one is 46. Okay, make a center line here. It should be vertical. Now isometric, we made this sketch. Now I'm gonna to confirm it. Don't forget to select the sketch, and in the future use revolved cut. Okay, and confirm it. Here we made a mistake, that's why I'm gonna to back to this feature, and instead of 55 I should 64. I should change this one as 64 and confirm. Okay, now again I have to work on front, normal 2. Similarly, we should create a rectangle here. Dimension, this one is 28. Okay, and here to here is 22. Okay, and distance between these two is 46 minus 28 is 9. Right. Okay, similar to previous case, I have to create a very short axis center line here. Now it's time to isometric revolve cut. It should be 360 degree, and you should be able to create this. Now select this plane, normal to sketch circle, make a circle here. Diameter of this circle is 32. Right, isometric, cut extrude, and let's say true all. Now I'm gonna continue to work on again front plane, normal 2. In front I should now, before doing this, let's say select front and make a new plane, feature, new plane. Right, sorry. Oops. Okay, select front and make a new plane. Distance of this plane is 30. Confirm. Normal to, select the plane, normal to, and make a circle here. Be careful, this circle, the center of the circle should be vertical with the center of the part, and we have diameter of 8 millimeters here. Distance from here to here is given as 9 plus 23. It is 32. Now you can see we have a circle on this plane. That's why I have to use extrude, change direction, up to surface, and you should select this surface and confirm. Hide this plane, and now select the plane here, make a circle concentric with that circle, and radius is, diameter is 6. Okay, now isometric feature, cut extrude, up to surface, inside of the part. No, instead of inside of the part, delete, we should, let's say, up to surface, you should select this surface. Okay, now you can see here we made the parts as brasses. Save this part as, save as brasses. Right, we are gonna to continue to draw the parts. Open a part, we have to create a knot here, top, normal to, and we need hexagon. It should be 6. Start from here and make a hexagon. Now you can see this point, these 2 points are horizontal. This distance is 26, and isometric extrude as 12. Select here normal to, and let's say make a circle 12. Cut extrude and roll. In knot we have some fillets in the corners, but fillet is a bit different with the fillets which already we used. Okay, we can have we have 3 main planes for choice. Look here, definitely the top plane is not suitable. We should decide to draw on front or right. Okay, now I'm gonna to use, for example, front. As you can see, from point to point, passing through this point to this point is much far distance in compared to right. This one is much short. Okay, we can use the farthest one or the shortest one, but in this case I'm gonna to use the shortest one. Okay, which here in my case is right plane. select the right plane and normal too, okay, and line, you should create this sketch, 3 points arc, right here. The distance of the fillet is given as 6, okay, this means that this one is 6, okay. No, sorry, this one is not 6, it is 5, right, this one is 5, okay. Here this should be 5 as well, right, this one should be 5 as well, okay. Now we made 5 5 5. Now it's time to create a center line here at the mid, vertical and isometric. You can use cut revolve. If you use cut revolve, you can create this fillet. Look, this is the fillet, which a bit different with the fillets which you already did, okay. Or you may back to this sketch here, look, isometric, and you may create let's continue, but another one I will try to use. So try to use mirror. So here the short one, okay, normal 2, we have the same mirrors here, same fillets here. Look, outside of the part I'm creating line and circle, I'm creating this fillets. This one is 5, here is 5, and this one is 5 as well, so automatically it will be generated. The center line from here to here, it should be vertical and it should be from the center of the part, okay, and you will be able to revolve cut the part and create what I did. Made it, okay. This one is filleted, okay. So this one is a part which here is called as save as, it's called as knot. Now I'm gonna to continue to create another knot. On top, I'm gonna to continue with top. Right, and hexagon, make a hexagon here. You should say this point is passing through this point by horizontal, and dimension which is given here on the paper is 26, and we have a circle at the mid with the diameter of 12. Right, iso, extrude 8. Right, now in a similar way we have to find, look, this one is front, is not short, this one is right, it's much short. I'm gonna to continue with right, okay, and I should create and a sketch here, 3 points arc, light, and very similarly we may create here. All right, the radius is given as 3. right? And we should we need a center line here. Now it's time to have a look isometric to the part and cut revolve the part and create the fillets. Okay, this is another note, which here we are gonna to save it as block note. New part, please. Right, and we can work on top circle. We need a sketch corner rectangle as 24. Isometric, extrude as 8. Select here, normal 2, circle, make a circle. Diameter of this circle is 12, and distance from here to here is 12 and 12. It should be black, isometric, and you can extrude it by (92). Now we have a fillet here. I'm gonna to select front, normal 2, and I am gonna to use the same filleting approach for making fillet here as this. 3 points arc, line, line. And the radius of the fillet is 8, right? This one is 8. Here is 8. All right, and let's have a center line here at the midpoint, vertical, and you can revolve cut parts that we did. Now this one, the plane of the part is not correct. Yeah, unfortunately we select a wrong plane for this part. That's why I'm gonna to delete this sketch, and you will see how we can create the parts. Look here, the plane which I'm gonna to look here, it's a circle. Okay. Okay, let's stop here. Later I will show you how we can create this, and then we will go to assemble.